bush. Watch out for you.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Pull up the sun. Stop, there's no coming out. Sorry, that is so good. Yes, you can. Where's the fire now? That way. No, wait there. Oh, wow. Are you ready? You ready? Are you ready? Hale. Yeah, Papa. Smoke now. Oh, look for only what things like it. Chase away the mosquitoes. Chase away the mosquitoes. Oh, Shanta. Does it could jump the wood there? So let me
Huh?
and it could jump the wood there.
Did you get my bulldog? The one-sided bulldog? Here. Get it?
Yep.
Okay, now my seal. Here. This is a seal I caught.
I see.
Eyes.
Yeah, I see the eyes. I see. Gotcha.
Okay.
It's a video.
Oh! The seal I caught.
Yes, it's just a seal.
It's a perfect seal.
And what that one is what?
All right.
That big one, heavy one.
This one
A sickle?
is
A seahorse.
a swimmer.
Not from this angle.
It's a disabled swimmer.
This.
Disabled swimmer.
Okay,
Got it?
got it.
All right.
Throw it in the throw it in the fire now.
Fire?
Yeah.
I'm sending it
Send it to the wall.
for my display. My art of my sea art. And here is a tree. It's a sea tree. Blowing in the wind.
Okay,
A sea tree.
a sea tree.
Yeah.
All right.
Woo! I see.
Yeah, what do you think this is? Tell her what this is. It's like a goat. It's a seagull. Turn around and show her. Yeah. Turn around. It's a seagull. It's a seagull.
Seagoat. Seagoat, eh?
Jesus.
Another one?
Not hold it like you know what you're doing. It's a swimmer.
Okay. It's a swimmer or something. All right, it's whatever you say it is. Exactly. Perfect. Thank you.
Dad,
Yeah.
what do you video eat?
Huh? That's a baby fire.
Take a picture to send to Alan.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this net.
You got the snake already.
We are leaving.
Bye.
Bye. Well, well.
Okay.
Okay, bye,
Bye,
guys.
Ma.
They're leaving, we're done. This is how I go down. The crabs, yeah.
Big one.
The crabs live in that way. Melissa, did you get the crabs
No.
when they're coming out of the hole?
Oh, yeah, I did.
Okay, now you go check a bath. Change your clothes. Change your pants. No, no. Go upstairs and sleep. Your daddy not to leave you dinner. I don't want you. Go take your bath. Change your clothes. Then we talk. Huh? Take a bath, have your dinner, and then come. Go bed. You say your kid goes back?
Mm-mm.